Hey everyone, today I want to talk about something that's caused quite a stir in the tech world recently. Apple has pulled its data protection tool in the UK. Yup, you heard that right. So, let's dive into why this happened and what it means for you. First off, a little background. Apple has always positioned itself as a champion of user privacy. They've introduced features like app tracking transparency and advanced encryption to keep our data safe. But, in January 2024, Apple decided to pull one of its key data protection tools from the UK market. The reason? A security row with the UK government. Now what exactly happened? Well, the UK government has been pushing for companies to grant them access to encrypted data. They argue that this is necessary for national security and combating terrorism. On the other hand, Apple believes that creating a backdoor into their systems would compromise user privacy and security. It's a classic tug-of-war between privacy and security. The tool in question is Apple's Advanced Data Protection feature. This feature allows users to encrypt more of their iCloud data, making it nearly impossible for anyone, including Apple, to access it without the user's password. The UK government wasn't too happy about this, to say the least. They insisted that Apple provide a way for them to access this encrypted data if needed. Apple, standing firm on its commitment to user privacy, refused to comply. As a result, they decided to pull the Advanced Data Protection feature from the UK market entirely. This move has sparked a lot of debate. Some people applaud Apple for sticking to its principles, while others believe that they should cooperate with government requests for the greater good. So, what does this mean for you if you're in the UK? If you're an Apple user, you won't have access to some of the latest data protection features that users in other countries do. This could make your data more vulnerable to breaches. However, Apple assures that they are working on alternative solutions that comply with UK regulations while still prioritizing user privacy. In the grand scheme of things, this situation is a reminder of the ongoing battle between privacy and security. It's a complex issue with no easy answers. But one thing is clear. Companies like Apple are willing to take a stand for what they believe in. So, what do you think? Should Apple have complied with the UK government, or did they make the right call by pulling their data protection tool? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Catch you in the next one.